Are you missing out on over 3,000 pesos because you don't know how to share your referral link on Facebook? Here's the exact 5-click method that I've tested and use myself. It's simpler than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll go from being clueless about sharing your referral link to confidently posting it on Facebook and earning those rewards. All right, let's break this down. First, you're going to log into your Wise account. Then we'll walk through these steps together to get your referral link posted directly to Facebook. No fluff, just the exact buttons to click. Start by clicking your profile icon. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of your screen. It might be a circle with your initials or a small picture of you. Just click that and it will open up your account menu. From your profile, find and click on Referrals. This option should be listed in the menu that just dropped down. It might be under a section called something like Your Account or Settings, but it's usually right there once you click your profile. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, click the Refer and Earn button. This is where the magic starts. Once you're on the Referrals page, you'll see a big button or banner that says Refer and Earn with that amount next to it. In my account, it shows the full 3,250 pesos you can earn. Click that button and it will take you directly to your personal referral link page. Next, click the Share button. You should now see your unique referral link displayed on the screen. Right next to it, there's usually a Share button. Don't just copy the link. Clicking Share will open up the sharing options that Wise has built right in. This saves you from having to manually copy and paste. Finally, choose Post to Facebook and confirm. A window will pop up showing you all the different ways you can share. Look for the Facebook icon or the option that says Post to Facebook and click it. This might take a moment to open up a new tab or window. Once it does, you'll see a pre-filled post with your referral link ready to go. Before you hit that final Post button, add a personal message to increase engagement. Here's the really important part. If you just post the link with no explanation, people might scroll right past it. Write something friendly and authentic. Say something like, "Hey, I've been using Wise to send money, and it's super easy." Or, "If anyone needs to send money abroad, here's a link that gives us both a bonus." A little personal touch goes a long way. Click Post and verify it appears on your timeline. Give it a second to process. Then go to your Facebook profile and scroll down a bit. You should see the post sitting there on your timeline with your message and your referral link. If it looks good, you're all set. Go back to your referral hub to monitor earnings. Once you've posted, head back to that referrals page in your Wise account. This is where you can track everything. You'll be able to see how many people have clicked your link and how many have actually signed up and transferred money. It feels great to watch that number go up. And that's really all there is to it. From your profile to posting on Facebook in just a few clicks. Now you know exactly how to share your link and start earning. Thanks for sticking with me through this walkthrough. Go ahead and give it a try, and you'll have your first referral posted in no time.